Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to share with you how I do my super easy and quick ponytail for work. So this is what you need: some brushes and, very important, this glue from Got2b from Schwarzkopf, and some bobby pins and your favorite crunchy. I like to take the crunchy because it does not hurt my hair. So I have baby hairs on the front. I have a lot of grays, like you see. But it is like it is. Comb everything neatly through. Take the crown hair, and I'm taking exactly that part that has the smaller and shorter hairs. And then I'm adding my special glue. I love that stuff because it really holds the whole time. And some of you know from our Instagram that I'm working on the construction sites and that I have to wear a helmet. So prepare your bobby pins, take the section from the crown in the middle, and then when you have that, I'm just giving it 1.5 twist. So grab everything together and give it a twist. Like this, it holds all together, gives a bit of volume, not too much, but it does not look like a sleek, super neat ponytail. And it's not tight and I don't have tensions during the day on my scalp. Then I'm taking the rest of the hair like I would do a normal ponytail. And with this teasing, I think it's a teasing brush, correct me and let me know down below the comments how you call this brush. I'm just smoothing everything out. Don't forget your neck. There are also smaller and shorter hairs. Take your time with this when you want it especially neat, and if you have the time, of course. And then there, more or less where I have the bobby pins right behind, I'm adding the scrunchie. Like I said, I use these because they don't create tension to my head and I prefer them. I have them in all colors. Then I'm adding some hairspray because we have very humid weather right now. And if you comb it through, it makes that the baby hairs stick in between the rest of your hair. You can give some extra volume if you want, so just tuck gently and you're done. This is the final result. I'm losing a lot of hair, so let's have a look from the side, the other side, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.